Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily install and also use Sales Pop-up Conversion Pro for your Shopify store. So I'll just click here Add Application, and I'll just be here in the Shopify, Install App, and let's just wait until it's going to install, and then I will show you how you can easily use Sales Pop-up. It's a great tool and I really like it. It's completely for free. And most of the functions are really effective for Shopify, and also the sales pop-up can view the Shopify account data, view the products, view orders, and your online store. This is like the standard thing. So yeah, if you want, you can just easily skip the part of the video and just get when I'm going to explain it. And here we go. Okay, welcome to. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. And we'll just get through the basics here. Or what you can do is to simply use the default. Okay. Import data, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days. You just have to wait for a while. Now, set delay timer, notification display delay timer, settings. So set initial delay timer for the first sales notification to appear for a store visitor, and also set the delay between notifications of sales notification module. So display option, initial delay can be like 2-second, delay between notifications 5 seconds. Okay, set the delay time. And this is made on Java, I think. So it's kind of slow. So you need to have like patient. Set the timer, time zone. Again, you change it, and you click set the time zone. You have to wait like, I don't know, a few seconds. Okay, and here we go. So here we got a setup. On the left side, you would see dashboard, sales notification, countdown timer, or stock countdown. So sale notification is on. I will also click on it. And now what you can do is to simply edit that and optimize it. So you're gonna see the pop-up content, full name, in location, purchased, style, rounded or capsule. And you see it right here how the pop-up looks like. You can have the theme of dark and light. And then when you go to settings, you can change the position. So, okay, this is like sales notification, settings, 2 days ago, display duration, notification per page. You can really optimize it. Then you have like premium options here, what you can work with it within Sales Pop and really edit it as much as you want. So that's the first thing. Now you can see right here that I can just click here and enable it. So this would be like the order that was ordered. You would see it right here as a sample, and then you can use it on your site. Then we have a countdown timer, and you see also the preview, hurry up, sales ends in, set a start and end time, font family, title font. You can edit literally everything here, and also the colors. So okay, you see that it's like black. And then you have like content, and again you can disable days, you can have only hours, hurry up, sales ends in. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy how you can use the sales pop-up countdown timer. And the next thing is a stock countdown. This is also pretty straightforward what you can actually achieve. So we got a style of flat and capsule. And now hurry up, only 24 items left in the stock. It will be directly connected to the shoes or Yoda, or the product that I have. So if I'm going to have 5 items in shoes, then only 5 items will I'll see there. So not 24, but there would be 5 only. Now when we go further and scroll down below, you can change the formatting, the message font size. Also what you can do is to center it to the middle or to the left. Pretty straightforward, and this is pretty much it. So this is how the whole sales pop works. It's pretty easy, and I think that after just watching this, you know exactly what to do. When you go further, you see that also recommended app here. And you can start a free trial on Abundant Cards Recovery email app, and you can write a review. So this is how you can do it. So again, you go to dashboard, you would see revenue generated thanks to this, and also your clicks. And you have sales notifications, countdown timer, stock countdown. And now you have like notifications here. So this is pretty much it, how we do it, guys, and this is how we can use sales pop-up. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down below in comments. You can edit the pop-up contents here, product name, so product link, product title. So if I'm going to have a product here, I'll just see it in my store then. And this is really great only because like people can see that, oh, someone else bought it too. Wow, it's a good product then, and I can buy it too. In that way, sales pop-up is really effective. Now with the countdown timer, this is like every single e-commerce store should have this. And like if an e-commerce store doesn't have it, they're just missing revenue, in my opinion. You know, I always see it. That companies are not really monetizing everything. And I have a website which is in Slovak language, but I will show you how it's like missing, and I'm going to give them feedback. Like when you look on all products here, or let's say this is like for the health problems, right? What just gives you the like what would push you to buy the product here? Let's just like compare it to what I would do and what you could do. When you come here to the website, you see that, okay, there is nothing like flashy, something that would say, okay, go and buy this product. You know, nothing. And no incentive that, okay, I need to buy the product. So that's what is necessary, you know? And I don't think that it like, okay, you can do it only one segment, not the others. You can use it in whatever segment you want, and it will still work because it works. So use definitely this tool. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.